best way to cook pizza at home is either with a pizza steel or a pizza stone. And I happen to have one of each. They stay in the oven all the time. They're great. They moderate the temperature of the oven. This is a pizza steel. It's about 3/16 of an inch thick. It sits in the oven, doesn't take up too much space. And it doesn't need to be cleaned much. If you want to clean it with a little bit of water and wipe it off and make sure it gets dry so it doesn't rust. And as you can see, the pizza stone just kind of sits in the oven. Eventually I'll wash it off and clean it. Using these will ensure that you can cook pizza quick and it'll have a really nice finish to it. So I encourage you to find either a pizza steel or a pizza stone.